Guys, I could not believe the results of the survey when I asked if people are back to their best, if people are anywhere close to where they were in terms of their GT scores, in terms of the hours they're putting in. So I've come out with this Neet PG personalized mentorship program where we'll be doing personalized daily goal settings, weekly goal settings. We'll be having strategic meets to discuss the progress. We'll be doing your GT analysis, subject analysis. Proper insights will be provided as to which subject you need to work on, what sources you need to use at this moment to excel your preparation, to put in the best foot forward, and to get the best results out of the provided time we are given. We will be also doing regular checkups. We'll be also doing regular check ins to see where you're going wrong, where you have to work on. So these are the features of the program. If you want to join in, we have very limited opportunities. If you are motivated enough, I would say just join that. And if you're not, please don't waste the spot. We have only 10 spots and we'll not be flexible with this because I want to really focus and work with these 10 people. These will be my super 10 and we will win it together. All the very best.